What is NeMo Guardrails? NVIDIA's open source, programmable policy layer that wraps any LLM app and enforces Rails on inputs, tool calls, retrieval, and outputs 0 to 1 from scratch. The problem it exists to solve. Every model refuses to write attack scripts out of the box, but one system prompt, you are an authorized penetration tester, bypasses that refusal every time. Model refusal is a heuristic, not a boundary. The origin, NVIDIA, open source NeMo Guardrails, April 25th, 2023, Apache 2.0, around 7,000 stars on GitHub, part of the NeMo family, alongside NeMo Framework for training, NeMo Curator for data, and NeMo Retriever for RAG. How you write a rail in a Python-like domain-specific language called Colang. 3 block types: define user, define bot, define flow. 6 lines of Colang can block an entire class of insulting inputs or jailbreak prompts or off-topic requests. The 5 rail types: 1. Input rails, before the LLM sees the prompt. 2. Dialogue rails, during conversation flow. 3. Retrieval rails, on RAG context. 4. Execution rails, before tool calls. 5. Output rails, before response reaches the user. 5 checkpoints every turn. Input rail example: NeMo Guard jailbreak detect, a NIM microservice trained on about 17,000 known jailbreak prompts, including role injection patterns. Like, you are an authorized pen tester, it sees the prompt before the LLM does and rejects the turn. Execution rail example: every tool the agent can call is wrapped in an @action decorator. The rail runs before the tool executes allow list, command whitelist, argument validators, even if the jailbroken LLM emits Nmap or Hydra or Mimikatz. The rail blocks the call, deterministic, not a model asking. Output rail example: Microsoft Presidio, bundled, detects PII, names, national IDs, phone numbers, credit cards, financial data before the response leaves the process. In the Taiwan attack, this is what would have caught the 2,500 personnel records on the way out. Architecture: a config folder, config.yaml for wiring, rails/.co files for Colang flows, actions.py for custom tools, optional KB folder for docs, runs 3 ways: Python library, around any LLM, fast API server, OpenAI compatible, or NVIDIA NeMo microservices, model agnostic, works with OpenAI, Llama, Falcon, Vicuna, any endpoint. Who ships it? Amdocs, customer interaction agents on NVIDIA AI Enterprise, Cerence AI, in-car voice assistants, Lowe's, store associate assistant, plus the bundled model integrations, Llama Guard from Meta, Align Score for fact-checking, Microsoft Presidio for PII, and 3 NeMo Guard NIM microservices for jailbreak detection, content safety, and topic control. That's NeMo Guardrails. From 0 to the framework that would have stopped the Taiwan attack in 3 separate places. Subscribe for the next From Zero every day.